Oh, YouTube, guess what we got going on today? I just want to give y'all a little dose of what we have doing here today. And this is it. I know you know what it is. It's a clean driveway. It is clean like mean. See it right there? That's 20 feet. 20 feet by 40 feet long. Clean. Excavated well. And you know we have to show you all of it. This is the second part. It's going to be a walkway. Walkway to the backyard. Everybody wants to stay out the dirt. And so this part in the backyard is actually 20 by 20. Or it's about 20 by 25. And that's what we got going on over here. Let's introduce you to it. Everything's clean. Well clean. Our forms are laid down real nice, even though we inherited them. And there we go. Everything's clean. Everything's clean, ready for 3,000 PSI concrete. Smooth finish, broom. Everything will be fine. I just want to show you the first part of it because we do have more of it to go. And if you stick around, bam, in a flash, we will have this taken care of. All right, YouTube. Another one from the big old, bad old Exo Construction. We're out here, ready. All right? You know how we do it. Thumbs up for us. Give us a like, subscribe, and share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Look what's going on. It's always good over here. We do nothing bad. We try our best to keep it going. And that's what's going on. All right. Have a great one. See you on the flip side. All right, YouTube, we're showing you another detail. Clean up the front of the busting the road. See there? We cut the road, score it, and we're taking it off. Right, concrete's gonna pour right up against that line. Real sweet, real pretty. That's the way we do it. See that? Real sweet, real pretty. Manpower. Good old-fashioned hammer. That's what's happened. Good morning, YouTube. We're here once again on the project. It's a beautiful day. We're pouring concrete. All right, we're going to teach you a few things today and let you see what's going on. Look at our forms. Everything is nice. We're gonna pour all the way to the back. Nice walkway. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted, show you a few tricks of the trade, and let you know what's going on with this. This is a production, and we're gonna get it finished. It's smooth finish, what they call broom finish. And this hose right here is how the concrete will get to the back. It'll come shooting out of that. And then we'll have this whole thing full of concrete. All right, stay tuned. We just want to let you know what's going on. Everybody's cool, and we're happy today. Take a look.
Sorry for the phone. May no matching for may no.
No problem. No problem, Pop.
Right,
We good. He broke the form, so he apologized. I respect that. All right, if you see this cord right here, this one, that's for the clicker. That's so when he's in the back, he could turn off the pump, turn it back on. And these new companies, they're all remote control now. But this one here, they still use that type of system. All right, I'm going to turn off the video now, but lay wait, you're going to see it come back again and see progress. That's 10 yards deeper. That's 10 yards of concrete. That's 10 yards of concrete. As you can see, we're progressing right along. Everything looks fine. They're setting the grade and the pitch for the driveway, and should be complete here in a bit. I have a YouTube channel too, you know. Okay. I have a YouTube channel. Yeah. Nice. It's good. I'll give it to you in a minute. Let me ask you, do you know the smell of concrete? Fresh concrete? It smells real good. Money. Leave a comment. Let me know if you know the smell of fresh concrete. Okay, YouTube, as you can see, moving right along. Looks like there's a driveway there. Something is happening. I'm glad you like it. Stay tuned to the end, and I'll show you a few other things that's going on. I'm still there in the chip and I'm going to eat. Give me a thumbs up if you can see the driveway smooth, nice, and ready. Okay, YouTube, it's the end of the day. I just want you to see the magic. This is the magic. This is the magic. I'm hoping you can see the magic. The way that it looks so nice. This is a part of the magic. As you can see, in some areas, we've removed the forms to assist the concrete in drying out. And it's broom finish. Looks real good. It's flat, 3,000 PSI concrete, straight lines. And I hope you guys like it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about it. Look at these straight lines. Very straight, clean, rolled edges. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you want this in your yard. Or leave me a comment. Tell me something about concrete that you may know about. We're all here to learn, and not just to show off, but also to teach. And that's what it's about. If you need one like this in your backyard, call the best. You can Google our phone number, anything you'd like. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you soon. As you can see, YouTube, we've removed the forms, and so the concrete can dry out just a bit quicker. There's a broom finish on the concrete, so there's no slippage. And to me, it looks real good. Solid concrete, 3,000 PSI, ready to be used for the homeowner's purpose. Give me a thumbs up if you think it looks good. You know, how does it look to you? We're straight as a board right here. And, you know, maybe you'd like someone to show you how to form concrete, or, you know, pick the right concrete company or the right concrete truck. We're ready for it. And it came out real clean. Concrete's nice. We removed all the forms, and I'm sure when we see it in a couple weeks, when the grass is growing back and everything, it should look real healthy. Thanks for staying with our video. If you watch the video this long, you might as well leave a like, leave a comment, share, press a button and send it to one of your family members, and show them that this concrete still being poured correctly sometimes. Looking at these lines, they're very square and straight. Concrete looks good. They waste no time. in setting up their patio furniture and using the new space.